Yeah, combo ticks loaded, farming accounts like a boss. Proxyless grind, premium in no time. Trigger goes blur, I'm rich in blocks. No cap, no cash, free odds on lock. Discord ping, now I board the craft. Load the tool, break the rules, grab that stash. Started with combos, now I'm stacked with odds. Minecraft dreams, no sleep, just vaults. Bullet, pros, so let's hope for the pros, grab dash, started with combos, now I'm stacked with odds. Minecraft dreams, no sleep, just vaults. No sleep, just vaults. No cap, no cash, free odds on lock. Discord ping, now I roll the craft, flow the tool, break the rules, grab that stash. Started with combos, now I'm stacked with odds. Minecraft dreams, no sleep, just vaults. No sleep, just vaults. Grab that stash, started with combos, now I'm stacked with odds. Minecraft dreams, no sleep, just vaults.